Have you ever pondered the secret behind Warren Buffett's immense success in investing? How did this man from Omaha, Nebraska become one of the wealthiest people on the planet? The answer lies in his 3 simple yet effective investing rules. Today we'll delve into these rules and see how even beginners can apply them to their investment strategies. Rule number 1. Invest in what you understand. Do you think Buffett became a billionaire by investing in complex financial instruments he didn't comprehend? Absolutely not. He focused on businesses and industries he understood well. He often says, never invest in a business you cannot understand. It's a straightforward rule, yet so many investors overlook it. They get caught up in the latest investment trends or the hottest stock tips without fully understanding what they are investing in. So, remember, if you don't understand it, don't invest in it. Rule number 2, always insist on a margin of safety. For Warren Buffett, investing is not about taking unnecessary risks. It's about identifying value and ensuring a margin of safety. Buffett once said, "The 3 most important words in investing are margin of safety." This means buying an investment for less than its intrinsic value. It's like buying $1 for 50 cents. This strategy not only provides potential upside, but also protects you on the downside. It's like having a safety net under your investment. The 3rd and final rule, be patient and think long-term. Patience is a virtue in life, and it's certainly a virtue in investing. Warren Buffett is a long-term investor. He doesn't get swayed by short-term market fluctuations or the latest investment fads. He once said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." Imagine that. Forever. This rule emphasizes the importance of investing in companies with enduring value and holding on to those investments for the long haul. But how can beginners apply these rules? Start by investing in businesses or sectors that you understand well. Research, study, and learn about them. Don't be swayed by the latest hot stock tip or the newest investment trend. Next, always look for a margin of safety. Don't just buy a stock because its price is going up. Determine its intrinsic value and make sure you're getting a good deal. Finally, be patient. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Investing is a long game. Think long-term, buy and hold quality investments, and let time do its magic. Remember, investing doesn't have to be complicated. Even a beginner can achieve success by following these 3 simple but effective rules. The road to financial freedom might be a long one, but with these rules in your investment toolkit, you're already several steps ahead.